Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Jeep Compass key fob. This easy method will have your fob working like new in just a few minutes. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should pop out without much effort. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them snap securely shut all around the edges. Once closed, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are functioning correctly. Your Jeep Compass key fob should now be working perfectly with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.